have a blurring filter on.
Oh my God, it's my husband.
Like he could get it. Tea. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty impressed. Good afternoon. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the vlog. I'm not trying to jinx things, okay? Because every time I actually say something, I jinx it, but someone's been on her vlog game. I think I figured out a solution with my vlogs more so. What the fuck is my hair doing? If you guys have watched my vlogs for any time, really, especially years, you know that I've always had the format of each vlog kind of having its own day. Like it'll be from morning to night. Like I wake up, get ready, boom, 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 boom. Every vlog is essentially one day. And to be honest, the past month or two, I've just been so busy and I noticed that I wasn't uploading many vlogs and it honestly made me really sad just because I felt like disconnected from you guys. And obviously, you know, sponsorships are awesome, but I also don't want to be uploading only sponsored videos and stuff. So I think I finally had a moment with myself and I was like, Alisha, just vlog. Like you can put different days together and if that means you're vlogging more, then it's great. Like if you can only vlog for 20 minutes one day, just still vlog because those are like some fun moments, you're with friends, whatever. It's okay if you didn't vlog earlier that day or whatever. That has helped me immensely. Like I don't know why, or I don't know what finally clicked, but yeah, I feel like it's given me a lot more freedom to vlog more. And I know some people prefer vlogs that are more all together with different days. Other people prefer vlogs that are just, you know, day to night. Honestly, I'm just happy to get a vlog up. So I feel like I've been on my vlog game for that reason. Like, I don't know, it feels like I'm vlogging less, but in reality, I'm just not needing a whole day. I don't know. Also, I don't know if you can tell my foundation today looks impeccable. I don't have a blurring filter on. I tried a new primer because I've heard some influencers talk about it, the booty gurus, aka not me, because I stick to the products I like and I don't really, I don't know. You guys know, you know me. Some beauty gurus were talking about this primer and before sorry, I keep touching my face. Some beauty gurus were talking about this primer and I was like, what is the freaking hype, okay? It's expensive and I'm very like, oof. I'm not gonna lie, part of me was like, there's no way I'm gonna buy that. But then the other part of me was like, I'm 1000% gonna buy that for a video because I need to test this and see if it's actually worth the money. So before knowing the price, I wanna hear your guys' comments. What do you think about it? Please comment them in real time below. And I'm gonna give you updates on my skin as I go on. I didn't change anything else about my routine. I used my same foundation, the Too Faced. I used the concealer, Shape Tape. So let me know what you think. In other news, we are working on a lot of parallel apparel stuff today. You know, Ashley and I are co-founders of that and we are ramping up for the restock, which is coming really soon. I'm just overwhelmed. Just kidding, I'm not, but like there's a lot going on. So we love that. Currently working on editing some photos for parallel. I really want everything just to have like a bright, crisp look to it. And with my own personal Instagram, I haven't really been editing many of my photos at all, but I feel like obviously having a brand, I want it to be clear. So like you can kind of see the before and after from here. It's crazy because like the smallest changes actually make such a big difference. I feel like this one just looks so much more like a campaign photo. Like it's bright, it's crisp, it's clear, the color correcting is so much better. Like this still looks great, but it's just crazy what, I mean, editing can do. So that's what I'm currently doing. We obviously have some caffeine, even though I've been trying to cut back a little bit because, you know, the anxiety has been a little high again. I still can't believe last year I went like a month without caffeine. I just cut cold turkey. And honestly, I don't want to do it again. But yeah, we have been trying to cut back a little bit, even though it probably does not look like it in the vlogs, I promise. Because I feel like normally when I wake up, I always have a cup of coffee. And now I've been waking up and being like, Alisha, just wait a few more hours and get the one that you get like later. You'll be good. Anyways, I feel like I'm annoyed because I've been talking in this spot for way too long. So, Illy.
What are you doing, darling? Oh my God, it's my husband.
Ryan Reynolds is my celebrity crush, guys. Like he could get it. Wouldn't we be so cute together? I mean, so cute. Still don't need no man. Also, I doubt, you know, he's got Blake Lively. He's fine. He's chilling. He's happy. Guys, comment down below your celebrity crush. Who it be? Also, just I said that so loud and I walked past those two guys right there, and I'm a little embarrassed, but I have friends with me, so it's okay. At least it looks like I'm not a complete loner. That's the key to vlogging in public. If you're not used to it, make sure you just have someone with you.
We're the scapegoats.
Hi, sexy Lexi. Because then it's like, oh, she's weird, but she has friends, so she must be somewhat cool. And then the times I'm by myself, it's like, oh, I'm just by myself. It's fine.
Wait, what are we doing?
We're doing a reel. I sat down in bed and I was all loungy and hair up in a bun and no makeup. Oh.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
Wait, why are you saying sorry?
Yeah, why
Because he stopped for us.
Do what you gotta do to get the gram.
She does it all, folks.
Okay, I like this. Keep going.
All right, 3, 2, 1, action.
Down. Cute. We're being those influencers who have like a freaking tripod. Oh, I love it. This is hilarious. Hey yo. For my old viewers, this one's for you. Sorry, I'm so annoying. I didn't realize those guys were still there, and I was like, to my old viewer, I'm like, they think I'm that bitch, like that annoying ass. I'm embarrassed. Like, it's the guys sitting on the table over there. I made eye contact, and now I'm tremendously embarrassed. In other news, I will say the foundation, like I'm sweating right now because it's really hot out. Foundation looks great, guys. It looks great. Wow. It looks so good. She got the goods. Update, we are going on our 7 of face makeup. I have not touched up whatsoever. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty impressed. I feel like my makeup actually looks drastically better. But y'all, I'm just I don't know, the price, guys, the price. I think this is definitely I'm not gonna use it every single day type of product. I'm not gonna return it, I've obviously already used it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let me grab all my shit so Ashley doesn't yell at me. Woo! Okay. Dang, it literally looks like I just did my makeup. The tiniest bit oily. I feel like it just looks more dewy. The fuck? Here it is, ready? The double, I don't know how to say this, instant and long-term primer from Sisley Paris, okay? I got this at Nordstrom. I would highly recommend going in and getting a sample. One time, like years ago, when I was still living in Orange County at my apartment, I tried this $200 La Mer foundation, and to be honest, I thought it was shit. Like, I don't know if it was just my skin or what. That one was a hard no. I didn't like it. It was just so overpriced. Honestly, I hated it. But this, especially the fact that I was outside sweating in 98-degree heat, you would never guess, and I think that's crazy. So I am heading out the door to meet up with Ollie and Murph. We're just gonna have like fun little girls night. Normally I'd obviously like at least powder my face or touch up or something, but I don't want to touch my makeup whatsoever because I really want to see how it looks when I come home and everything. So tea, guys. Tea. Okay. I've also been filming a video to put on Instagram or TikTok, so I need to update them, but like, damn guys. That's a close-up of the name if you're wondering. Curious if anyone else has heard of this brand because I haven't, and I feel like I'm very involved in the makeup world, so clearly I'm not on this bouginess level. Here is the fit. Ashley was watching Bridgerton. I'm also really excited because Outer Banks 2 just came out today, so we are going to probably watch that tomorrow. I really don't have any plans tomorrow, so like, that's my plan for tomorrow. It is extremely hot here. I don't know how the weather is where you are, but I am gonna bring a jacket just because honestly, I know it'll be cold once the sun sets. We are wearing all parallel apparel. This is the sporty bralette. It is a pretty low neck top, but it does make the boobs and the cleavage look just amazing. And then also wearing the biker shorts. Honestly, I personally don't work out in this, but guys, my battery died, which means it's probably gonna die any second, but I'm currently on my way. I literally brought my charger because I was like, fuck, I didn't want it to die. We're still in the rental car if you're wondering, if you saw the last vlog, but I'm so excited. It's also drastically colder over here. Murph lives by the beach, so it's like, guys, clearly the battery died, okay? Normally I would just wait and vlog tomorrow, but I had to make a point to show you my makeup because it has been over 12 hours of me wearing this. I wore my glasses to drive home, so I have a feeling, yeah, it's like, okay, but it's still not bad, the fuck. I'm honestly sad because now I'm like tempted to keep buying a primer that's $200, but I just don't think I can fathom that. Here's my thinking. Is it a great primer? Yes. Now, is it worth the money? I think I'm gonna, I want to say no, it's not worth the money, and what I would do instead is just ask for a sample anytime you have a really big event, whether it's like prom or your wedding or something big where you really, really, really want your makeup to like last all day. I would just like go get a sample. If you have the money, of course, it's great, but wow, it's so good, fuck. I'm so shocked. I was not expecting to like it this much. I genuinely thought it would be such an easy, like, oh my God, this isn't worth it. Kind of like the La Mer foundation that I tried before. This is definitely not an everyday thing. I'm still gonna be using my normal primers that I normally use just because, especially days when I'm just like chilling. But if I were you, I would go to the store, grab a sample, because this 12 hours, guys, it genuinely looks like I applied it maybe 2 hours ago. Let me get all up close so you guys can actually see my skin. Like, all here looks freshly applied. My T-zone's definitely oily. Forehead's also a little oily, but maybe this is an investment thing. Maybe this is something you save your money and get just for like nice occasions. I don't really know, but I'm genuinely so shocked, and I had to show you this before I took my makeup off. I genuinely want to say it's so worth it, but I just don't think I can do that. Like, why is no other, what's in this? Why is no other primer like this? I've never come across a primer like this in my life. Like, why can't there be one for like $75 or like even $100, even just half the price? My makeup's been on for 12 hours. I can't, like, what? I'm genuinely so shocked. Anyways, I really don't want to take it off. Oh, there's an even better up close. You can see all the texture, all the pores, but like, it's pretty good. Also, if I didn't put my glasses on, that would be normal.